How to buy Tbay gift card. In this video, I will show you how you can buy gift card on Tbay. For that, just go to any browser and search for Tbay. When you search this, the first link just open this link. When you open this will be the display in front of you. You can see there is an option called gift card, but before you can use a buy gift card, first of all you have to sign in into your account. If you don't have any account, then click sign up and sign up for Tbay account. Once you sign up, just click on gift card, and now here you can see there is an option called buy gift card. Simply click on buy gift card. When you click on buy gift card, you can see here you can select your price range. If you want any price, you can select your sell range and up to and so on. And now here you can see there is a category option. Just click on category and now select any card that you want to use for your purchase. Let's suppose American Express. When you select any card, let's suppose I will select Apple. When you select this card, now you can see there are sellers who want to sell their gifts, and now you have to buy gift. So just click on buy now, which you want to buy it. It's 20 USD, it's 2 cards, and its stock is 50, this stock is 100. So it's up to you which you want to what's your range. Just click on buy now. When you click on buy now, here you can see you can enter your amount, your purchase amount, Apple or iTunes face value, and here you can select your USDT. And now simply click on sign in now, because you don't have any sign, because I'm not signed in, that's why it's showing me sign in. But when you have signed in already, then it will show you buy now. Just simply put your amount and click on buy now, and you will get your Tbay gift card. So this is the way you can buy gift card on Tbay.